If you're into synths and you're into video games, well then I have a treat for you today. So the OPZ has a ton of user-generated video packs that you can download or buy online that lets you manipulate different animations on your smart device. And now the user Mystical Monkeys just created a video pack with the classic 1978 game Space Invaders. So what this video pack does is that it allows you to use the OPZ as an arcade controller, and it lets you play the game Space Invaders on your smart device. In this video I'm going to show you where and how to download and install the video pack, the sound effects, and how to use the video pack and play Space Invaders with your OPZ. So in order to install the video pack, you have to go into the website on Gumroad, and I'll leave a link for that in the description. First, you'll be asked to give a donation, and it's suggested $1.99. I don't know if you have to pay, but I paid a little bit just because I think creators deserve to get paid. And once you signed up, you get this download page. And here you can download them individually. And there, once they're downloaded, you can open them in downloads. Next, you'll have to connect your OPZ to your device. In order to install your video pack, you have to open it in the OPZ app. So you can just press share and then open the OPZ app. That will automatically install your video pack in the OPZ app. So if you scroll in here, and here you have it. It also comes with a sample pack. If you want the video game sounds interacting with the video pack to get a more realistic arcade experience, you'll have to import your sample pack into the OPZ. The way you do that is by having the OPZ and the iPad connected, press the instrument button, and then turn on the device. And now the OPZ shows up as a USB drive. So what I do is I simply copy it, go into the OPZ, go into sample packs, go into FX, go into slot 10, which will be the 0 slot right here. Then paste, and there you have it. Then you have to reject it from your iPad, and you can do that by simply pressing play. Now, if we unplug the OPZ and the iPad, connect it, we can go into the effects track. Now remember, we put the sample pack on slot number 10, which will be the 0 right here. And then you can hear the arcade sounds. Now let's start playing. So if we go to motion, and now you can start playing. But you can hear there's no sound. So the way you change that is by going to sample track, and now it's just being played as a sound. And then go back to the motion, and then in order to activate the sounds, just press 0. Now you can play using the green encoder to move and the any piano key to shoot. And that's how you play Space Invaders on the OPZ. So all necessary links are in the description. So please check that out. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like. It really helps my channel. And I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, you can check out this video right here, where I compare the OPZ and the OP1 to see which one is better.